Is that good? That's gross, Mommy. She's all the way back there. Yeah. Did you want some water, sweetie?
No.
Okay. Why don't you just keep eating pasta?
Wait.
No, that's yours, sweetie. Why don't you eat it?
Wow.
Well, you need food for your tum-tums. But you could just play with it. Do you want cauliflower?